Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password, your iPhone password from 4 digits to 6 digits. Okay, so we're going to head on over to the settings icon. Mine is right here. If you can't find it on your iPhone, just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so. Type in settings. As you can see, the icon here appears. Just click on it. And we're going to scroll down, and as you can see here where it says Face ID and passcode, we're going to click once. Okay, I'm going to enter my current password. Okay, so I am in, and then we're going to scroll down, and right here where it says change passcode, we're going to click there once. Okay, as you can see, it says enter your old password. Okay, we're going to enter that password, and it says enter your new passcode. Now, before we do, I just wanted to let you know that if you click here on passcode options, you can select between these options right here. It says custom alphanumeric code. In that one, you're going to be able to not just type in numbers, but you can also type in letters. So that's going to give you a stronger password, although it's going to make it a little bit more time consuming, a little bit harder to get into your iPhone unless you have Face ID. So in this case, the simplest way would be to just hit cancel right here, and it says enter your new passcode. For this example, I'm just going to type a simple one. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, as you can see, I got a warning here. It says this passcode can be easily guessed. Your passcode will be used to unlock this iPhone and to protect access to your data stored in your iCloud. Now you can change your passcode, or in this case I'm gonna just click use anyway. However, if you type in a regular passcode, a more complex passcode, you're not going to get that prompt. Okay, now once you type in your new passcode, it's going to ask you to verify it. We're going to verify it. Okay, as you can see right here, it's processing, and we're good to go. Now we can just swipe up from the bottom of your screen to go to the main screen here, and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining, and please like and subscribe so I can give you guys more tips like these.